Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Curiosity Cafe. In today's video, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take an old beat up Fire Stick that has stopped working. We're going to bring it back to life on today's video. So if you have one of these old Fire Sticks, or maybe your Fire Stick isn't working like it used to when it was brand new, well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that, and let's make it like it's new right now. Let's go. So what is this stick right here? Where did I get it? What's the history on this Fire Stick? Well, I have a community on Patreon where I help streamers, whether it's a Fire Stick, Apple TV, Roku device, Android box, whatever you're streaming, I help you get third-party apps. I help you maintain those third-party apps. I also help you fix devices like this one right here. So what happened to this? Well, this is an older Fire Stick, and I don't even know what model it is, to be honest with you. I haven't plugged it in yet. But he sent it to me because he said, I can't use it anymore. It's broken. It stopped working. It's too slow. I can't do anything. And I said, rather than throw it away, send it to me. So he did. He sent it to me, and I'm doing a video now because I think this could be very helpful for a lot of people out there. If you have an old Fire Stick, maybe in a drawer or plugged into your TV and it's just not working, and you want to fix it. You want to make it like new. So I told him I would go ahead and fix it for him, send it back to him. No problem. So in today's video, we're going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the TV, and I'm going to show you all the steps. Now, when he sent me this Fire Stick, it actually kind of made me laugh because he sent me the stick. There's no power cord, there's no remote, there's no extender onto it to keep the heat distribution good. He didn't send me anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it with a heat distribution. So this is an extension cable. These come with the newer Fire Sticks. If yours doesn't come with it, you can get them for just a couple bucks on Amazon. But what this does is it keeps it away from the TV so that it doesn't get hot. Because these things get hot, it'll cause problems, all kinds of problems. In addition to that, I'm going to show you in this video how to sync a remote. It's really easy to do. I show you on other videos, but obviously I have to sync a remote to this because he didn't give me his remote. So I'm going to plug it into the TV with the extender cord and a new remote that this is actually an old remote. I don't even know what it goes to, but I'm going to go ahead and sync it to this, and then I'm going to show you all the steps to bring this back to life. I'm going to make it really simple because we could spend hours going through all kinds of stuff, or we can just plug it in and fix it real quick and make it like it's brand new. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video. Let's go. All right, have you on the screen here. So the first thing I did was synced a remote to the Fire Stick. So that was really simple. All you have to do is press the home button down, hold it for 10 seconds. The upper right hand corner will go from a slow blink to a fast blink. Once you have a fast blink, set your remote down, go have breakfast, go have lunch, go visit with family, come back. It takes a few minutes. It might stop blinking, but it doesn't connect. It takes 2, 3, sometimes 5 to 10 minutes to sync to the closest Fire Stick. So don't be discouraged. Don't think it doesn't work. If you do need to sync your Fire Stick remote to your nearest Fire Stick, it will work. You just have to be patient. Don't press any buttons on your remote. Set it down, leave, come back, it works. So I am connected. As you can see, I have complete control. It is slow. I am exceedingly frustrated with how slow this thing is moving because I'm moving very, very fast, and it's just moving slower and slower as I move it. So I understand the guy's frustration. So what we're going to do here in today's video is I'm going to use the actual remote control that I just synced and factory reset this. I'm going to bring it back to brand new. So literally it will be blazing fast. It'll get rid of all those apps he didn't want anymore. Clear all that background cache, all those background apps, literally make the thing brand new, and I'm going to mail it back to him. Let me show you how to do it. So take your remote control, and there is, if you look at your remote, there's that circle right below the voice, and that is right around the OK button. If you hold the right side of that, just the right side where the circle is, and the back button at the exact same time, and I repeat, it has to be the exact same time. If you press one before the other, it's not going to work. You have to hold both for 10 seconds. Now watch what happens on the screen. Let me go. And 10 seconds right there. Reset to factory defaults. Factory reset has been initiated, will automatically occur in 13 seconds. You don't even have to do anything. You could say okay, you can cancel it if it was a mistake, or you can leave it alone. It will factory reset. Now this is going to be a brand new Fire Stick. This is how you do it, guys. Now if you have a frozen Fire Stick, if you have one that's in a boot loop, this will fix both. But I repeat, you have to press the right directional button and the back button at the exact same time and hold it and don't let go until that comes up on the screen. That's when you can let go. So it's resetting it right now. It looks like this was, his model was a 4K Fire Stick. So it was the 2018 model of the 4K Fire Stick. So perfectly great Fire Stick. He definitely wants to keep this thing. So I'm going to make it brand new. I'm going to mail it back off to him. I'm also going to give him, as a Patreon member, the extender cable that I put on here to help with heat distribution, because sometimes an overheating Fire Stick could cause these problems with slowdowns. So I'm going to send that to him as well. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out Patreon, you can check it out for free. I've got some free videos on there that you can check out. If you want to know more or get extra help or have private videos made for you, I do that for members also if you are one of our members. So check that out. I do have the link in the corner. You can just hold your cell phone camera right up to it, or you can click the link in the description section of this video if you want to find out more about Patreon. We do that as a service to try to help our viewers just have a better experience. You could spend hours trying to fix problems like this, or just be a Patreon member and you can ask me. We respond 365 days a year. So if you do have any questions, reach out on Patreon. I'd be happy to help you. So as you can see, the Fire TV device is already starting. That was very fast factory reset. And looks like we got the Fire TV logo. That's a good sign. Some people have those frozen Fire TV logos. This will fix that problem. You would just have to do that on the remote, just like I shared. Don't even have to go into settings to do this, although you could. But if you just have your remote, you could just factory reset it. All right, so we're right here. It didn't take long at all. Now it just says to tap your home button on your remote to pair your remote. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. And just press the play button to start. Literally just following the prompts. As you can see, look how fast that is. As you can see, we are right in the initial setup stages of our Fire TV device. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set up this Fire Stick for him. I'm gonna add all the apps he had on there before. I'm even gonna add some new ones on there just as a freebie to help my Patreon members, and then send this back out to him. Just a nice little surprise. But that's it, guys. That's how you turn an old beat up non-working Fire Stick into a brand new Fire Stick that's gonna work for many, many years. You guys, wasn't that easy? That was probably one of the easiest things you can do. I mean, I showed you there how to quickly sync a remote to your Fire Stick. If you maybe had a bad remote, or you got a Fire Stick like I got that didn't have a remote, then I showed you how to sync it. Then I showed you how to factory reset it with that same remote without having to go into settings or go through any clearing cache or closing your background apps or any of that stuff. Just turn it back to new. Now I'm going to add all those fantastic apps that the Fire Stick is known for. You don't have to go out and buy a brand new Fire Stick. You could take your old one and make it like it's new. And he had an old 4K. It's what, 5 years old now, and it's still perfectly good Fire Stick. He's going to be able to use it for another 5, 10, 15 years if you maintain it properly. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or you want to join Patreon, we will put links down in the description section of this video, and you can comment down there if you have any questions about it as well. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe down right below our video. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.